the north coast of New South Wales, a series of man-made breakwaters are being built to protect fishing fleets. In some cases, costs are kept down by blasting and crushing rock to make the concrete blocks for the miniature harbours. But the project is still costly. Conveyors like these take the rock to be crushed to the correct size, and from the crushers the rock goes direct to huge mixers where it becomes concrete and is poured into giant molds, 40 tons at a time. Blocks like this, and it takes more than 10,000 of them to make a breakwater, are lifted direct from the molds onto barges for transport downriver. These blocks are being used on the Clarence project between Yamba and Iluka. The harbour works at Brunswick Heads, the most recently completed breakwater, cost almost £250,000 and took 2 years to build. Other breakwaters are still to be completed, so concrete blocks are taken from the barges onto rail cars and then literally dumped into the sea. This is Brunswick Heads, 7 miles by sea from Byron Bay. Once the entry to the harbour was dangerous and shallow, with a reef and half-hidden rocks to add hazards. The Premier, Mr Heffron, arrives for the official opening of the new breakwater, a big day for local residents and particularly local fishermen. Brunswick Heads is the second completed breakwater under a £1 million scheme. The first was at Bermagui. The port here will be one of a chain of similar ports along the New South Wales coast. Safe harbours for small craft and fishing boats. A valuable contribution to an important industry.